friends, this is Milani Hajunsu. Welcome to my channel, which is all about enhancing what you have. Today I am going to review 투쿨포스쿨's Contour Pact. It has 1900s poster-like packaging, which is very aesthetic. It claims that an artistic retro gaze, multi-shading product that helps create natural-looking contours to accentuate features. It has English, French, and Korean instructions mentioned, which is great for people like us. It comes wrapped in a tissue paper that gives art supplies vibes. The compact has a black, sleek, disc-like packaging. Its lid has 2D print, which I fell in love with, to be honest. Many K-pop idols and makeup artists use this contour pact. It is one of the best sellers in Korea. It has a plastic separator between its mirror and the pact itself. It contains 3 different shades of brown to create a dimensional contour or bronzing. The left strip has beige brown color, which is one of the lightest shades in the palette. The middle color is a gray-brown color, and on the most right is a true brown color. One of the flaws that this contour pact has is that as you use it, later on a layer of face oil hardens on it, like on some areas, which then needs to be scraped off, or else the color doesn't transfer from the palette. I have been using it for quite some time now, and it is the easiest contour or bronzer to work with. I dab the darkest shades on my face where I want the contour or the bronzer, of course. I then blend it in a little and then go back on dabbing it because the powder is so finely milled that it just blends it into the skin right away. The contour or the bronzer is very subtle and natural. Even if I mess it up, I just blend it a little more and it looks amazing. Its coverage is buildable and I have used it for my natural makeup videos to a strongly bronzed or contoured makeup as well. I'm not a makeup artist and this works quite well for someone like me without putting additional effort or skill. After dabbing the powder on the edges of my face, whatever is left on the brush is what I mix it into the rest of my cheeks. I do my forehead in light dabbing motion and I do my nose as well with dabbing motion. If I mess up somewhere, I simply blend it with brush using light strokes. Even if I use a heavy hand, I can't mess up with this powder as it is so easy to blend it and work with. That's me without the contour and that's me with it. Look how small my face is looking than it normally is. 투쿨포스쿨 is one of my favorite contour pacts. I'm going to recommend it to all of you and I'm going to rate it 5 by 5. It is one of the best sellers in Korea and so many makeup artists and K-pop idols recommend this. There would be a reason, right? So I'm going to recommend all of you that if you guys can get it, please do get this one. I really like it. Bye-bye.